Today we'll be installing the roof light rail on a Cat UTV. To complete this installation, you need the following tools: T30 Torx bit, 8mm Allen head, side cutters, impact wrench or socket wrench. Included in this kit are M10 Allen head screws, our M10 nuts, our M8 button head screws, left and right hand brackets, a roof rail, and cable ties, which have already been installed. The first step is to remove the existing hardware from the front and rear ROPs. Repeat for the opposite side. The next step is to install your left-hand side bracket. We'll use our N10 Allen screws and new nuts as well. Place these into the channel and drive them in. Repeat for the opposite side. Once both sides are complete, torque down to 45 foot-pounds. Repeat for the opposite side. Next, we'll install the light rail onto the mounting brackets. The easiest way to do this is from inside the cab. This completes the install of the roof light rail. For more information on the Cat UTV, visit cat.com or participating UTV Cat dealer.